how to remove watermark from TikTok video in CapCut. So if you want to remove a watermark on TikTok video in CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut. After opening, go with new project, select the TikTok video, tap on add, which is on the bottom right. Now from here, as you can see that you have the watermark on the left side and on the right side, right? But let me tell you that you won't be able to remove those watermark which are on the corners, but you'll be able to remove the watermark which is at the last of the video. So if you swipe all the way to the end, then here as you can see that you will have your TikTok watermark, right? So if you want to remove this TikTok watermark, then you just need simply select the part from where you would like to split. So I'll choose this one. Now select the video, tap on split, which is on the bottom left, and remove this watermark section. So go with delete, which is on the bottom, and it has been removed. Now you can go and export, and that's it. But if you want to remove the watermarks which are even on the left side or on the right side, then there is another way. What you can do is open up your TikTok. After opening, you need to go with the share icon, which is on the bottom right, and from here you need to swipe and then go with copy link. So tap on more, which is on the right side, or just simply swipe and you'll have a copy link option. Here on the second option you'll have copy link. Tap on copy link. Once you've copied the link, you can go back and open up your Google or your browser and search for a TikTok video download, and then go with SnapTik, and from here you need to paste the link that you've just copied from TikTok and then tap on download. And once you've downloaded from here, then you won't have any watermarks. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.